Yep. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, now you take the cake out there.
Okay.
I'm recording, so.
Oh, you're recording? Why are you recording?
Because I want to get some video.
Okay, Jack, I guess Daddy's ready.
Take it out there.
Okay.
Be
But
easy.
they gotta be sitting up, hon. They gotta be ready up there.
Okay.
They're still playing on the ground.
Alright. Where are you going to put the cake? On the table?
Yeah.
I was never struck me. Did you get that on video?
Yeah, it's on video.
Oh, you're videoing?
Yes.
It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Oh, okay.
So legally, you're in a world of shit. I better not say that.
You're already frightened dealing with that.
Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm kidding.
Alright.
Oh, they're old. She's old.
Go on. Okay, where do you want to do it at?
Okay.
Have a seat at the table.
Okay, just sit down then.
She's like bouncing.
Alrighty, there we go, child.
Sit.
Have a seat, child.
Go.
We love her. We really do. We do. Train you. Say that now.
Oh, I didn't know your name was 15. I know.
We know. That's supposed to be a J over there, too.
Looks like an S.
Okay.
Do you think, girl, before it catches fire?
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
I can hear you, Justin.
Happy birthday, Jackie. Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo!
And
Make-
her name.
Put out that fire, girl.
All right. Yay.
You can do it.
All right.
What did you wish?